Hello student, I am a Dr. Bharat Gadak, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, KRTR, PH Commerce and AM Science, popularly known as KTHM College. Student friends, I am warmly welcome you to today's class. We are talking about GGDT 114, Principle of Population and Settlement Geography. The paper number is 4 and semester number is first, and now topic number is 6. Now topic name is Human Settlement. Now today we are going to learn this topic. Topic name is rural urban settlement and economy. Means is in this topic will be discussed from the what is meant by rural and urban settlements difference. Now last lecture will be discussed what is meant by the human settlement, what is the some classified by the rural and urban settlements. Now these are the some difference concept will be discussed. For the last lecture will be some geographers. It is away under the standing of matrix of human and physical relationship and interrelationship of the some definition of settlement geography, as well as the some human geography will be depend interrelationship between the who gets what, where and how. The settlement answer the who build habitat settlement, where and how. These are the two very important here concern to be in rural and urban settlement economy. Now student, this is topic number 6 is name of the topic in human settlement. Now last lecture will be discussed for classification urban and rural development. Now rural and urban economy, site situation aspect in settlement. Now the type of compact, semi-compact, helmet and disperse. And now last point is pattern of settlement. This is the topic cover with this lecture in this year. Now will we go to the one by one. This is topic name is rural and urban domain. Now here some of the rural and urban settlement. Now the rural and urban settlement is relative term having the varied meaning in relation to the type of population and mode of life people of the settlement. Census of various countries use this term according to their own convenience of density pattern. Now a combination of criteria will distinguish rural and urban. Be hamlet, village, town or city. Ambiguity remains in searching out of the demarcations line breaking the rural urban continuum. Particularly in developing country, in short, urban settlements are nodal in character, having the center, secondary, tertiary activity and productions. Moreover, the perform functions of political, educational, social, religious characters. Rural settlements, on the other hand, is chiefly concerned with the primary production, be agriculture, fishing, mining, forestry. Now, these are the some concept will be discussion from the different where. Now the some classified by types of dwelling and village settlement. Now here will be discussed from the different way from the demarcations and some such as beginning is found out the work is on another hand classified the French groups of rural settlements into the different types of according to shape, many other tire to produce regional classification on the basis of size, degree of compactness, shape of regularity and set of settlement. With the development of settlement geography, geographers also develops classification using the both of morphological, functional characteristics of settlement. Now Ristopin is inter illa classified settlement of the three main types of into the following table. Now temporary, first one is a number of unspecialized hunters and specialized hunter normal, middle and high. Now some of the Molle classified settlement according to the degree of permanence allow. Empirical means 7 to 8 deep place and temporary, seasonal, semi-seasonal and permanent. These are the some one other concept will be discussion from the rural and small settlement. Is the system is classified is more significant for the first four categories concerned with the rural settlement, but the fifth one being complex need further explanation. These are the publication volume has emphasized rural settlement classification as well as rural urban relationship. They have tried to define the difference and areas of overlap between the two categories. Size of settlement has been included in the sliding angle scale of defining terms such as hamlet, village and town. Now the settlements are classified into criteria base also is explained the scale. One may classify the rural settlement on the basis of mean population, mean distance, mean coefficient dispersion and coefficient of variation. Now these are the some different way. Now, on the basis of mean population on rural settlements on Tehsil may be categorized by the three group category: small size less than 300, medium size less than 300 to 500, large size above the 500. On the basis of mean distance, may be break down rural settlement in the three way: relatively width separate distribution where distance exceed 3 km, then relatively least weight shepherd distribution from 2 to 3 km, it is called as R. Relatively close distribution where the less than 2 km, it is called as C. On the basis of main coefficient of dispersion, there are two groups. Rural settlement have uniform distribution where is less than 50% and non-uniform distribution where is more than 5%. On the basis of coefficient of variation, rural settlement fall into the two groups with the center of population concentration where is more than 1, then without the any clarify the clarification of V is less than 1. Now this is simple and one of the few general classification of the on the basis of settlement are classified into the plain settlement, plateau settlement, Lucia settlement, coastal settlement, forest settlement, desert settlement, and user land settlement. On the basis of spatial distance between the dwelling and hamlet, settlements stand disturbed, compact, isolated, semi-compact, and hamleted. On the basis of the occupation of rural settlement is often classified agriculture, livestock raising, vegetable growing. In India, subcaste of Jati-based villages, hamlet have abound everywhere, particularly North Plain, in Korean, Aryan, Kuwaitwan, and urban category manufacturing, train, transport, settlement. In conversely found in the developed countries such as urban center are coming in the developing world. Functions based classifications include the settlement, namely the agriculture villages, fishermen villages, and pastoral hunts. Size based classification range from the dwelling up to the megalopolis, name is farmstead, homestead, hamlet, and town and city and hierarchical order. Shape based classification are mainly concerned with the pattern of dwelling having the varied nomenclature. A Germany settlement from is called as dictionary has been modified cluster as follow: the irregular cluster village, isolated farmstead, hamlet, place village, or the further street village, record linear village. These are the some one is urban village, suburban settlement, modern industrial settlement. Likewise, the various pattern on the basis of settlement is below: the linear, circular, radial, triangular, block, arrow, star, fan. We have star, trace, and checkboard. This is like the pattern. This association with the geographers will be discussion for the different way. This is the different way and different conditions like the 25 and settlements are the mapping from black pattern and elongated at the earlier pattern, fan pattern, circular pattern, and other pattern. We see these are the some one classified, which is the rural and the urban settlement economy. Now here the demographic distinction between the rural and urban term is residential population is a limited value, which is with increased local mobility, social and economic space no longer coincides with the residence. For economic purpose, employment is the relevant criterion. Concentration of employment in our urban places. That the type of employment is determined by character of settlement and the amount of nucleated employment measures in economic size. No such simple index exists for the socio-cultural purposes. Two criteria as examined in the folk urban continuum is rejected and the social network map is found valuable as a structural framework whose content must be adopted or particular cultural value. Now, the term settlement is accepted, but what when the comes, it is existence that can be differentiated in terms of rural and urban. Now, there is no conscious name exactly define the village or towns. Although the population size is an important criteria, it is not universal criteria. Since the many villages in densely populated country in India, China have the population except that some towns, and Western Europe and United States. Now, at the same time, people having the villages pursue agriculture on the primary activity. Presently, in developed country, large section of urban population prefer the live villages even though they work in the city. Now, on the basic difference between the town and village is that in town and main occupation of the people is related to secondary and tertiary activities, while in the villages most of the people is engaged in primary occupation such as agriculture, fishing, lumbering, mining, animal husbandry. Now, this is the one more the difference between the rural and urban on the basis of functions are more meaningful. Even Though it is not uniformity, it is in the hierarchy of the functions provided by rural and urban settlement. Petrol pumps are considered as lower order functions in the United States, while it is urban function in India. Even within the country, rating of function may vary according to the regional economy. Facilities available in the village of developed countries may be considered rare in village of developing and less developed countries. Now, this one is the decision between the rural and urban population is trench is the most census report in many and varied demographic series. 9. Vital statistics, economic and sociological data in great provision have been coupled, which is distinguished between rural and urban components. The urban and rural dichotomy is often used as a crude yardstick are the international socioeconomic companies as the rough measures of the socioeconomic evolution of the such country. All the series assume that is the distinction between the rural and urban population is relevant and significant for the social sciences. The this assumption is not questions, but is the further assumption, but is the proper criterion. Urban and rural is the size of community. Major terms of precedent population is less sounds will be further considered. Student will be discussion from the difference between the rural and population, rural and urban. Now student, any doubt, any query, ask anytime, write a mail bharatgadak@ktechmcollege.ac.in. Student, today we stop here. Next day, next lecture will be continue. Okay, good day, bye bye.